welcome to my channel. This is the Cookbook Kitchen and I am Carol. Karibu sana. The last time I was here, I introduced to you guys a new book, Baked to Perfection. Yes, for this. Yes, this is the book. And we made what we were making tahini cookies, and they were they were good. Today we are here. We are going to make rosemary crackers. Look at that. This is what we're going to make today. So, wow. Let's try out this one. Rosemary crackers. Simple ingredients. Yeah. So, come along. So what we have here today, we have some rosemary. It's a rosemary crackers. I have some monk fruit sweetener. In the book, they're using custard sugar. I have some baking powder. I have some xanthan. Xanthan gum, some salt, some cold water, some butter, and my DIY gluten-free flour blend. If you have this book, I'm using the DIY too. So you need to get the book to understand what the DIY flour blend is, and also to get the quantities for each and everything. So as we start mixing our ingredients, we need to preheat our oven. Then we go to the next step. We'll use a food processor. So we put our flour blend over here, and the baking powder, the salt, the sugar, monk fruit sweetener, that is. Then our rosemary. Then the next thing we need to do is mix it briefly. The next thing we need to add is our butter. Butter, what you call it. I think we're doing well. The book says you need to get a coarse sand texture. I think this is okay. Then you need to add some oil. I'll use olive oil. Now we are going to add our cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time. So far, so good. So far, so impressed. Okay. Our dough. Nakwambia. So far, I'm very impressed. I can see that you're doing well. We are following the instructions. The letter. Can you imagine this is just a DIY flour blend mixture? Hey, can I tell you a secret? One of the things that is here is a millet flour. Go check out the rest for yourself. Some flour for dusting. That's enough. What's not happening? And the way I have whatever I do. So we need to, roll out our dough. Just work with me. I really, whatever I do. Apparently, this dough needs to give us 22 to 24 crackers. So far, so good. I think this will work. Yes. Let's see. This is the size of cutter I'm going to use. I hope it will give me that 22 to 24. My baking tray is ready to receive. Okay. Now, question, how am I supposed to lift them? From here, I feel like when I lift them, they'll just crack. This is where I think the challenge will be. Putting it here. Each piece. No, 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 no. Oh, God. Is this the way we're going to work? Or we turn it. I'll put it here, then turn it. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. This way. Put on top of the other. Now the trick is lifting it slowly and carefully. I'm going to use this lid to slide under. Under. Yes. Good. And then we flip. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Accident. Accidents. See? Let's hope for the best, guys. Let's hope for the best. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Ah! Yay. Come on. Cooperate. Cooperate. Yeah. Now we get our toothpick and then some holes, kiasi. So we bake it for 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. Then we will be back. Our crackers are ready. As you can see over here. Nakapoa, I know. Time to taste and see. Okay. I've been able to make 27 with the size of the cookie cutter that I was using. So yeah, that's nice. It is up close. Now we crack it. We crack it. Whoa. Like that. I've used olive oil because the book says you use olive oil to add flavor. You can use the other types of oil that you want, but I went with olive oil. I can taste the olive oil. And another thing, I did not use castor sugar because the book says you use castor sugar. I use monk fruit. Like I said when I began the video, I used monk fruit, so I don't think changing the sweetener to monk fruit has affected the crackers because so far so good. Hey, but the olive oil, the olive oil is out there. It's speaking by itself. The olive oil is out there. Whoa. The balance is just nice. Oh, so guys, this is our first recipe with the DIY flour blends, and whoa, it's on point. It's good. Wow, this is nice. This is the book that we are using, Baked to Perfection. And yeah, our crackers are baked to perfection. Ta-da! Bye bye. See you in the next video, and God bless.